Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use LinkedIn targeting for ABM program. So here we will discuss for what is ABM LinkedIn targeting. Though the term was officially coined in 2004, in its pursuit form, account-based marketing, this is for full form of ABM, has been around for says Matt Hans, attributing the heightened interest in ABM to advance in tools and technology that makes it easier to execute. So we have talked about the full form of ABM in our lecture, backing the assertion that ABM is now easier to business companies to execute. At its summer survey showed that 84% of business using ABM said the strategy offer higher ROI than other marketing companies. In another study of Sir Decision, 92% of B2B marketers said ABM was extremely important to their overall marketing efforts. Clearly, ABM is there, here to stay. So first we have understand that now in this age ABM is really used for the business to business marketing places for to ensure to execute their businesses to grow much more level. So we have an other slide. Thoughtful state targeting is at the forefront of every sound ABM strategy. It's not hard to see why wide-ranging ABM success coincides with marketer increased ability to effectively target and reach the right people. So this is very much sure that the ABM is used to reach those targeting peoples. When we looked into how experts decide ABM, it became clear that an essential first step is for sales and marketing is collaboratively define the attributes that constitute a targeting accounts. There we go to capture it simply. I define account-based marketing as total marketing and sales alignment around who are target customers and the effort to get them. He says they align with the same outcome in mind to get specific accounts. How can I take advantage of LinkedIn targeting capabilities for ABM? Use account targeting is to identify and reach decision makers to target accounts. So we have this is a very much sure. So now it's a last term. Use account target to identify and reach decision maker at target accounts. There are more than 13 billion LinkedIn pages for companies account allow you to match your target accounts against its list. Producing qualified accounts per se scale, this could become even more powerful over this time. Thank you very much.